Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the task manager is not opening properly on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Please note the first method we're going through is going to apply for Windows 10 Professional and higher editions. So Windows 7, Windows 8, and every edition of Windows 10 except for Windows 10 Home Edition. So just want to put that out there. And we are going to look up gpedit.msc. So you could also download the group policy editor for Windows 10 Home. I do have a tutorial on my channel for that you guys can search for. But otherwise, just for out of the box Windows 10 versions, it's not going to work for Windows 10 Home. But underneath best match should say gpedit.msc. Go ahead and open that up. And underneath user configuration. So before we get ahead of ourselves here, let me just make this a little bit easier for everyone to see. And underneath user configuration, you want to go double click on the administrative templates folder. So go ahead and double click on that. Should be a system folder under here. Go ahead and double click on that one as well. And now finally there should be a control plus all plus delete options folder. Just left click on that. On the right side there should be something that says remove task manager right here. Go ahead and double click on that. So in this window you want to select not configured and then select apply and OK if you have to make any changes to save that. And then once you're done with that, if that was all you had to do, then you can just restart your computer and that should be about it. Further thing you can try here would be to open up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. And now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy the first one. And the DISM command, so just copy it. Just highlight over it, right click and copy, or use the Control C shortcut on your keyboard, whichever you prefer. And then go over to the command prompt window here, right click on the top header bar, select edit, and then select paste to paste in this first command. Give it a second to run here. We'll take some time, so please be patient. Okay, so it should say the restore operation completed successfully. Now one more command we're going to run, either you can just type it in or copy it like the first one. It's going to be sfc followed by a space /scannow. I'm just going to paste it in here. Again, this will take a couple minutes to run just like the first one. Just be patient. So once that's done, guys, would recommend restarting your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.